Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up email routing in Cloudflare. So to start off, you're going to go to your Cloudflare dashboard, select your account, and then select your domain. Then you're going to go to email routing, then go ahead and click Get Started. In custom address, you're going to type whatever email address you want here. Since this is your own domain, you can do whatever you want here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in my name. We'll just do Sean. In the destination field, you're going to put whatever email you want your emails to be routed to. So for example, I could do seanmckenzie@gmail.com, or if I want to consolidate multiple email addresses on the same domain, I could do that as well. You just want to make sure you put the full email address into that field. Cloudflare will then send a verification email to whatever address you put in as your destination. You have to verify your email before it'll let you proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That'll open up a new tab, say verifying. Okay, now I can go back here to my other tab and you can see that it's taking us into this new page, get started with email routing. So the other thing it'll need to do is add in the MX and TXT records to your DNS. So if you have conflicting DNS records already in there, you'll need to go and remove those first before you can do it. Otherwise, just hit add records and enable and you should be good to go. You should now have email routing enabled for your address, and you can add any other custom addresses you want to your account. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.